All right, you guys, so we're at the JW Marriott by Central Park in Manhattan, New York. This is the Essex 1-bedroom suite. And also we got a connecting room right here, which is the Central Park 1 king room. High view. So we'll start over here with the king room. So you go over here to the left and you have a nice king size bed. Over there you have a TV in the corner. You have your mini bar. You have your mini fridge under there. Ice bucket. Over here you have your closet. You have a really nice bathroom in here. Toilet over there. Shower over there. And as you go through here, you have your view of Central Park. So again, this is the connector room, which is the 1 king with the view of Central Park view. You have a nice little couch right here. And as you walk back over here, you have the Essex suite again, the Essex 1-bedroom suite. Over here you have your guest bathroom. It's a nice guest bathroom. You have your toilet right there. Mirror and sink over there. You have your entranceway right here. Over here is your living room. So you have a living room with your mini bar right here. Nice screen TV right here. Nice couch area. And if you look through here, you have a nice view. You can see all the buildings and stuff. And as you walk past the bedroom, you walk into the bedroom. And here is the bedroom where you have your king bed, his and her nightstands. You have your desk area right under the TV. Nice TV. And over here, you have a view, nice view of the buildings. On this side, you have a nice little lounge chair right here with the lamp back there. Over here you have your closet, your safe with your robes and your iron board and iron. Over here you have the master bathroom. Walk in here, you have nice sink, your toilet area. You have your bathtub and a nice walk-in shower. Again, we're at the JW Marriott in New York by Central Park. This is the Essex suite, and connecting room is a Central Park view 1 king room. Very spacious, very big for New York. So hope you guys enjoyed it. See you at the next one.